5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're about to enter the time tunnel. Prepare to be transported back in time to the 1970s.
Now, put your right foot down and your left foot.
Remember
the golden charts of the 70s. It was heavy.
Small Jean Genie snuck off to the city, strung out on lasers and slashback blazers, and ate all your razors while pulling the waiters, talking about Monroe and walking on Snow White. New York's a go-go and everything tastes nice. Poor little greenie. Get back on it. Jean Genie lives on his back. The Jean Genie loves chimney stacks. It's outrageous, he screams and he falls. The Jean Genie, let yourself go. Like a man, but he smiles like a reptile. She love him, but just for a short while. She'll scratch in the sand, won't let go of his hand. He says he's a beautician, sells you nutrition, keeps all your dead hair for making up underwear. Poor little greenie. The Jean Genie lives on his back. The Jean Genie loves chimney stacks. He's outrageous, he screams and he bawls. The Jean Genie, let yourself go. So simple-minded, he can't drive his Magoo. Lights on the neon and sleeps in a capsule. Loves to belong. Loves to belong. Woohoo. Jean Genie, let yourself go.
A very good afternoon. Welcome along to the sounds of the 70s. It's New Year's Eve. It's Hogmanay. How are you all doing today? I must say, you are looking good. Every single one of you out there today, looking really good. Great to be back. A couple of things I need to do before we get the show under the way. I need to do my checklist, okay? A couple of things I need to check. First of all, I need to check that I've got my glasses with me. Yeah, got my glasses. I'm wearing them. Also need to check I've got a bottle of red wine. Yeah, that's over there. Also need to check that I've got a Christmas cake to eat once I've drunk my bottle of red wine. Need to check that my phone's on silent so I don't get hassles off the mother-in-law. Yeah, that's on silent. Looks like we're good to go. It's 12 minutes past 3 o'clock here in the UK. We're broadcasting live from Peterhead in the northeast of Scotland on 105.9 on FM and around the world at www.buchanradio.co.uk. I think I'm stuck in a bit of a time warp here today. I want to blame it on the red wine. Why not? Anyway, if you want to get a song on the show today, a couple of ways you can do that. You can send me an email to studio@buchanradio.co.uk. You can also go via our website, click on request a song, and that'll come through to me here in the studio. If you are my friend on Facebook, then you can send me a Facebook message requesting a song, but I do give preference, okay, to the emails what come through to the show. Bit of a historic show today because it is the last radio show that I'm ever going to do. I'm retiring, the headphones are coming off. I'm just going to chill out, drink more red wine and eat more Christmas cake. Talking about emails, I want to say good afternoon to Bonnie. She's near Brighton in the UK. How you doing, Bonnie? Hope the weather's nice where you are. And, of course, have a great evening tonight, whatever you're doing. She sent me an email. She says, Dave, my first ever request to you was for David Cassidy's Brown Eyes or Echo Valley, she says. I'd be so happy if you could play either of those songs again on this being your last show. Please dedicate this request to yourself, to all the wonderful friends I have made because of your radio shows. You have given me an amazing presence of putting me in touch with people. A huge thank you to you from me. Take care of yourself, Dave, and stay safe and happy. Lots of love from Bonnie Stripe in Brighton. Thank you for that, Bonnie. What's happened today is I brought a pen drive with me, but I haven't got all my David Cassidy songs on it, Bonnie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play David Cassidy and the Puppy song and dedicate it to you and all the members of the David Cassidy Radio Show Facebook group page. And of course, talking of Facebook group pages, good afternoon to everyone who's with us on the Sounds of the 70s Facebook page this afternoon. Hope you enjoy the show. Once again, good afternoon. Welcome along to the Sounds of the 70s.
Dreams are nothing more than wishes, and a wish is just a dream you wish to come true. Have a puppy, I'd call myself so very lucky, just to have some company, share a cup of tea with me. I'd take my puppy everywhere, da-da-da-da-da, I wouldn't care, and we would stay away from crowds, signs that said no dogs allowed. I know he'd never bite me. Oh no, he'd never bite me. If only I could have a friend to stick with me until the end, wish you come true. Oh, no, no. You wish you come true. You wish you come true. Dreams are nothing more than wishes, and wishes just that free. Wish to come true. You wish you come true. You wish you come true. Oh, no, no. You wish you come true. You wish you come true. Dreams are nothing more than wishes, and wishes just that.
By gum, these songs make me remember to when I were a lad. This DJ plays them oldies just like they used to be. Très bien. Here, put kettle on, mother.
Now the marriage vow is very sacred. The man has put us together. Now you wanna make it stick together. Come on, and stick together. You know we made a vow to leave one another forever. But now you never miss your water till you're well and dry. Come on up, baby, give our love a try and stick together. Come on, and stick together. You know we made a vow to leave one another forever. Well, if you stop for a while, consider our child. How can it be happy without its mom and pop? We stick together. Come on, and stick together. You know we made a vow not to leave one another ever. Now if you stop for a while, consider our child. How can it be happy without its mom and pop? They stick together. Come on, and stick together. You know we made a vow not to leave one another forever.
Brian Ferry, Roxy Music from 1976, and let's stick together. I do hope we can all stick together for the next 3 hours as we take you on a magical journey back in time, back to the 1970s. Don't forget, if you want to get in touch with the show today, a couple of ways you can do this. First of all, you can send an email to studio@buchanradio.co.uk. You can also go via our website at www.buchanradio.co.uk. Click on Request a Song, and that'll come through to me here in the studio. And finally, if you are my friend on Facebook, just like Elaine King, who's in Florida today, she's been in touch. She said, "Hi Dave, can you play anything by David Cassidy?" Yes, I did that, Elaine. I just played the Puppy song not so long back, so we'll also dedicate that to you as well. Have a fantastic new year over there in Florida, Elaine. So yeah, if you're my friend on Facebook, you can also get in touch with me that way. But I do give preference to those who send in emails because it's easier for me to access. Just like Jilly did, who's in Sheffield. Jilly, hope you and Paul are fine on this New Year's Eve. Hope you got a great night planned tonight. Not too much falling down juice, please, Jilly. And can I just say that I wasn't drinking red wine earlier on. totally unprofessional. Anyway, Jilly, stand by. I'm going to play a song for you next.
You're listening to the very best mix of music with DJ Dizzy on the sounds of the 70s on Bucket Radio.
So, Jilly, this is for you. A little bit of summer love sensation to look forward to when we get back to Benalmadena next year. That one, especially for Jilly and Paul in Sheffield. Have a great evening tonight. Happy New Year to you. The Bay City Rollers. Do you remember when we used to host the world's biggest and the best Bay City Roller show ever? Back in the old days. I want to say good afternoon to Doro. Hi Dave, so happy that you are part of my all-day Hogmanay party. Would you do me the favour and play A Glass of Champagne by Sailor for me? Also, I would like to hear some Bay City Rollers. Have a happy Hogmanay and a fantastic New Year from Doro, who's in the capital of the United Kingdom. She's in Edinburgh.
Champagne.
chosen by my very dear friend Doro, who's in Edinburgh. Sailor, A Glass of Champagne. Just before 3:30 on this, the last day of 2020. God, will we be glad to see the back of it, eh? Good afternoon to Mandy Armstrong and Alan Armstrong, who are in Brampton in Cumbria. Hope you're both doing well. Alan, I hope you're not being worked too hard. Take it easy, mate. Take it easy. I'm going to play this one especially for you two.
Hey girl, what you doing down there? Dancing alone every night while I live right above you. I can hear your music playing, I can feel your body swaying. One floor below me, you don't even know me, I love you. Oh my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Twice on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh my sweetness means you meet me in the hallway. Whoa, twice on the pipe means you ain't gonna show. If you look out your window tonight, pulling the string with the note that's attached to my heart. Read how many times I saw you, how in my silence I adored you, and only in my dreams did that wall between us come apart. Oh my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Twice on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh my sweetness means you'll meet me in the hallway. Whoa, twice on the pipe means you ain't gonna show. Whoa, I can hear the music playing, I can feel your body swaying. One floor below me, you don't even know me, I love you.
Oh, my darling.
Knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Whoa, twice on the pipe if the answer
Tony Orlando, Dawn from 1973, Knock 3 times.
means you'll meet me.
We'll be back after this advert break with a song chosen by Anne and Frank, who's in the Bridge of Erne.
You're listening to the very best of the 1970s with DJ Dizzy.
Wake up, Maggie, I think I got something to say to you. It's late September and I realize you turned into a lover and mother. What a lover, you wore me out. All you did was wreck my bed, and in the morning kick me in the head. Oh, Maggie, I couldn't have tried anymore. You led me away from home, 'cause you didn't want to be alone. You stole my heart, I couldn't leave you if I tried. I suppose I could collect my books and get on back to school, or steal my daddy's cue and make a living out of playing pool, or find myself a rock and roll band that needs a helping hand. Oh, Maggie, I wished I'd never seen your face. You made a first-class fool out of me, but I'm as blind as a fool can be. You stole my heart, but I love you anyway.
Just love the mandolin on that. Just gone 25 to 4 on this, the very last day of 2020. Rod Stewart, Maggie May, chosen by Anne and Frank, who's in the Bridge of Erne, which is in Perthshire. Wishing us all the best for 2021. Good afternoon to Marie, who is listening today from the Netherlands. She says, hello, Dave, from the Netherlands. I see that you've been visiting the Netherlands a lot recently on your Facebook. Great music today, and the memories are all coming back to me. It would make my day if you could play anything by the Drifters for me and my mum, Frida. Have a great new year with lots of love from Marie, who's in the Netherlands. Well, Marie, I couldn't decide on one of their songs, so we've got a little bit of a mix from the Drifters. Enjoy this.
Say you'll meet me down on the beach tonight.
forever. Especially for Marie and Frida, who's listening in the Netherlands. 1 or 2 from the Drifters. Good afternoon to Colin, who's listening in Newry in Ireland. Good afternoon, Dave. Can I just say it's great to hear you back on the radio again. I missed your Christmas Eve show because I was working. So if possible, can you please play a song that takes me back to my teenage years growing up in Belfast in the 1970s? The song is by the Boomtown Rats and it's Rat Trap. It would make my day and my year if you can read out my email and play my song for me. Well, Colin, enjoy this, and I do hope the memories of the 1970s come back to you this afternoon.
Lot of rockin' going on that night. Cruising time for the young bright lights. Just down past the gas works by the meat factory door, the Five Lamb Boys were coming on strong. The Saturday night city beat had already started, and the pulse of the corner boys just sprang into action. And young Billy watched it under the yellow street light and said, tonight, up all night, it's gonna be a blight night. Billy don't like it living here in this town. He said, traps had been sprung long before he was born. He said, hope as the dust behind all the closed doors, and pus and grime ooze from its scab-busting sword. The screaming and crying in the high-rise block, it's a rat trap, Billy, but you're already caught. Hey, you can make it if you wanna, or you need it bad enough. You're young and good-looking, and you're acting kinda tough anyway. It's Saturday night, time to see what's going down. Put on the right suit, head for the right side of town. It's only 8 o'clock, but you're already bored. You don't know what it is, but there's gotta be more. You better find a way out. Hey, kick down that door. It's a rat trap, and you've been caught. In this town, Billy says everybody's trying to tell you what to do. In this town, Billy says everybody says you gotta follow rules. You walk up to the traffic lights, you switch and you left your right. You push in that button and that button goes that light. If you walk to walk, walk to walk, talk to talk, talk to talk, walk to walk, walk to walk, talk to talk, talk to talk. Hey, Billy, take a walk, take a walk, take a walk. Billy, take a walk, take a walk, take a walk. Billy, take a walk, take a walk, take a walk. Hey, Billy, take a walk with me. Take you on that misery. Swing high, swing free. Oh, little Judy's trying to watch Top of the Pops, but Mom and Daddy might and don't they ever stop. She takes off her coat and walks down to the street. It's cold on the road, but it's got that homemade. Deep down in her pocket, she finds 50p. Here's Daddy wait for the young girl to be. I'm gonna get out of school and work in some factory. Work all the hours God gave me. Get myself a little easy move on and her mind's made up. She walks down the road, her hands in her pocket, coat button against the cold. She finally finds Billy down at the Italian cafe. When he's drunk, it's hard to understand why Billy stands, but then he murmurs in his coffee and he suddenly roars, "It's a rat trap, Judy!" And we've been caught.
if I'm totally honest with you, I had forgotten just how good that is. Thanks to Colin in Newry in Ireland for choosing that today. Don't forget, send your emails in, get your requests in, studio@bookingradio.co.uk, or go via our website, which is www.bookingradio.co.uk. Click on request a song and that'll come through to me here in the studio. What we're going to do now is we're going to have a look at what was happening in the UK Top 10 on this very day back in 1974. How old was you in 1974? I was 12, I think. 12 in 1974. Anyway, number 10 in the UK Top 40 on this very day, 31st of December 1974, Status Quo with Down Down. At number 9, it was Gary Glitter with Oh Yes You're Beautiful. And at number 8, Barry White was there with My First, My Last, My Everything. At number 7, we had The Goodies, Father Christmas, Do Not Touch Me. Sitting at number 6 was Bachman Turner Overdrive and You Ain't Seen Nothing Yet. Elvis was at number 5 with My Boy, and Ralph McTell, he was at number 4 with The Streets of London. Rubetsy was at number 3 with The Jukebox Jive, and sitting at number 2 was The Wombles and Wombling Merry Christmas. And number 1 on this day in 1974 was Mud, Lonely This Christmas. What we're going to do, we're going to go back to number 6 and hear this one from Bachman Turner Overdrive.
You're listening to the sounds of the 70s with DJ Dizzy on Bucking Radio.
10 to 4. You are listening to the sounds of the 70s on Bucking Radio, broadcasting live from Peterhead in the northeast of Scotland.
aboard the time machine as we take you on a magical journey back to the 1970s. Put on your platform shoes and flared trousers as we get down and boogie to the sounds of the 70s.
Roller coaster, gotta make the most and dance, dance, dance the night away. Bye bye, baby, baby, goodbye.
DJ Dizzy takes you back in time with the sounds of the 70s.
Telegram Sam, Telegram Sam. Telegram Sam, Telegram Sam, you are my main man. Golden or slim, golden or slim, I know it's where you belong. Purple poppy, your lips are like lightning, girls touching the heat, yeah. Telegram Sam, you're my main man. Telegram Sam, you're my main man. Bobby's alright, Bobby's alright. He's a natural born poet, he's just out of sight. Jungle Face Jake, I say make no mistake about Jungle Face Jake. Telegram Sam, you're my main man. Telegram Sam, you're my main man. Sam's good stuff. Bobby's alright, Bobby's alright. He's a natural born poet, he's just out of sight. Automatic shoes, give me 3D vision in a California blue. We are funk, but I don't care. I ain't no square with my corkscrew hair. Telegram Sam, you're my main man. Telegram Sam, you're my main man. Telegram Sam, you're my main man. Telegram Sam.
Classic T-Rex from 1972, Telegram Sam. Dedicating that one especially to Tina and Steve, two very, very dear and old friends of mine. Also to Linda Walker. She's in County Durham. She wants to wish everybody a very happy new year. Thank you for that one. Good afternoon to Tony Jackson, who's listening in Skegness. He says, good afternoon, DJ Dizzy. Hope you are keeping fine and had a great Christmas. It's great to hear that your 70s show is back on again, as you play lots of records that other radio stations would never, ever play. Well, that's what this show's all about, Tony. It's all about you guys getting in touch, telling me what you want to hear. And we don't say, no, we're not playing that one, or we're not playing that one, or we're not. We just play everything here, mate. So it's great. Great that you've been in touch with us. He says, having said that, can you please play any Northern Soul from the 70s and keep the faith, mate? Thanks from Tony Jackson, who's with us in Skegness. One of my all-time faves. from the days of Northern Soul. Dobie Gray, Out on the Floor.
It's out of sight. Out on the floor each night, I'm really moving. The band is wailing right, I feel like grooving. The chicks are out of sight and I'm approving, yeah. The crowd is in tonight, begging for more. While I'm getting my kicks out on the floor. Out on the floor tonight, I feel like singing. The beat is right and bright, guitars are ringing. I'm really on tonight and everything's swinging. Oh, the room is packed up tight, lined at the door. Yeah, yeah. So I'm getting my kicks out on the floor. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, it's out of sight. When I'm out on the floor, it makes me feel like a king. Everybody here, don't you know what I mean? Yeah, it makes me wanna move. It makes me feel that groove. I watch me twist and shout. Say I'm working on out. When I feel that beat, I gotta move my feet. Out on the floor tonight, I feel like singing. Yeah, baby, the beat is hot and bright, guitars are ringing. The chicks are out of sight and everything's swinging. Yeah, the room is packed up tight, lined at the door. Oh, yeah, so I'm getting my kicks out on the floor.
Remember this golden classic.
Here I am on bended knees, I lay my heart down at your feet now. Do I love you? All you have to do is ask, I'll give until there's nothing left now. Do I love you? As long as there is life in me, your happiness is guaranteed. I'll fill your heart with ecstasy forever, darling. Do I love you? Tell me now. Do I love you? Yeah, yeah. Do I love you? Indeed I do. Dear darling, indeed I do. The very thing that I want most is just to have and hold you close. Do I love you? From early morning to late at night, to fill my heart with purity light. Do I love you? Whenever I lay me down to sleep, I pray the Lord just show the key and bring it on home safe to me now. Forever, darling. Do I love you? Tell me now. Do I love you? You know I do. Do I love you? Indeed I do. Sweet darling, indeed I do. Now whenever I lay me down to sleep, I pray the Lord just show the key and bring you on home safe to me. Forever, darling. Do I love you?
Two classic Northern Soul floor fillers. Dobie Gray, Out on the Floor, followed by Frank Wilson and Do I Love You. Oh, darling. We'll be back with something from the Partridge Family right after the news.